Every single night, you close your eyes and drift off to sleep. The world goes quiet, but your brain does not switch off at all. Instead, it springs to life and starts building entire worlds. Flying cities and faces you have never seen at 3 in the morning. And you believe every bit of it. So why do we dream? Your body lies completely still, almost paralyzed, so you cannot move. But deep inside, your brain flares to life with activity. This strange stage is called REM sleep, rapid eye movement. Behind your closed eyelids, your eyes dart quickly back and forth, and your brain waves spike, almost as if you were wide awake. So why does any of this happen? Scientists have 4 leading theories. Theory 1. Your brain is cleaning house after a long, cluttered day. As you sleep, it carefully sorts through all of the day's memories. It keeps the moments that matter and quietly deletes the rest. The good ones, the bad ones, and the completely random ones. And you wake up with a calmer, clearer, tidier mind. Theory 2 is emotional processing, especially after a stressful day. Your dreams replay the very things that scared or upset you. Like overnight therapy, your mind gently works through that tension. Slowly, the fear loses its power and shrinks right down to size. So a heavy problem can feel much smaller in the morning. Theory 3 is problem solving. With your logical side switched off, your brain makes wild new connections, which is why answers can appear after you sleep on it. Theory 4 is threat simulation. Your dreams may rehearse danger, safely training you for real life from inside your own bed. So what is happening up there? Emotion, memory, and imagination all fire on full power. Meanwhile, your prefrontal cortex, the center of logic, goes almost completely quiet. And that is exactly why dreams get so weird. A fish soaring over the city. Your calm teacher slowly turning into a friendly dinosaur. Your brain blends memory, emotion, and imagination all together into glorious nonsense that, somehow, feels completely normal. But can our dreams actually predict the future ahead of us? For thousands of years, people believed so, but science says no. What feels like a prophecy is really your brain finding patterns. It quietly connects random, unrelated dots into a story, and you only remember the rare dreams that happen to come true. Here are a few quick facts. You do not dream just once a night. You dream 4 to 6 times, each one lasting 5 to 30 minutes. And everyone dreams, even people who swear they never do. They just forget. So dreams are not random noise. They help your brain process, protect, and prepare you. Even after decades of research, we still do not fully understand them. Maybe dreaming is how the mind makes sense of our reality. Or maybe it is simply how we escape that reality for a while. One thing is certain, this mystery is still far from solved. So what do your dreams tell you? Comment below and subscribe to Sketch Science. Keep dreaming.